to keep doing something, but it's part two, y'all. We just gonna keep going. We just gonna keep going. But I know y'all know what to do. Y'all not gonna see the slime, but after y'all will just look at it. Let's see the game. So, just a little bit at a time. I'm gonna show you how much I put that much. It's clumping. Y'all, I'm gonna take my jacket off because it's gonna be nasty and this is champion. Y'all know like, why do you have two shirts? Y'all, I went to school with two shirts on with this jacket because I don't take off my jacket, it'd be too cold. This is my sleeping shirt. It's good. It's better than this time. It ain't great, but it's better than this time. So yeah. I told you I was putting this. It's a little. It's a little more than what I had last time. Yo, y'all like, why do you keep touching it? Because I'm trying to feel the texture. Y'all understand? And comment down below. What age do y'all think I am? And how many videos did I post? And how many videos do I post today? Or try? What's my goal? What do y'all think my goal is? Because I think I told y'all. No, that's going to be in the next video. So don't guess my goal. But I'm going to just tell y'all my goal. My goal is to try to post two or more videos. Don't matter what kind of video. It's just vlog, anything. Just try to post. And that's what I've been trying to do. And here is some of it. Yeah, perfect, but it's good. I don't know. I'm getting the glitter off of this. I got more glitter. I'm gonna put the glitter in here for y'all. So y'all can see the key. So let me show you why I sprayed it. Yeah, I can flip again. Hold up. It's still a sticky, but I like it. I'm gonna try to get the rest of this from the bottom next to the bottom. So I got a party at school tomorrow. Cute. It's fluffy too. Yo, make sure y'all watch part 1 so y'all can get to part 2. Don't watch part 2, then watch part 1. Because I know some of y'all be doing it. Watch part 1, then part 2. Not that hard to follow directions. But yeah, y'all, I've been trying to post ever since I started YouTube. Yeah. So I'm just cleaning up the salon out here, so I'm beating up everything that I made some. I don't know what I made. So yeah, I'm gonna open the door. Put that right there. Put this right there. And open the door. So here is the glitter. It's just a little container. A glitter. I'm just gonna go deep, but yo, it's a lot of glitter. A lot. That's a lot. That's way too much. But it's gonna be okay, yo. It's gonna be okay. First, put way too much activity. Then we have to remake this one. Never put too much glitter. Well, it can never be too much glitter, right? This don't look ugly. Yes, on my old channel, I used to say it was smart at school. And my other channel. Yeah, it's cute, but weird. I don't know. So my other video is I just edited that, so I just uploaded it. So make sure y'all watch my video too. Is what's in my what did we get from Piggly Wiggly? Piggly Wiggly. What did we get from that Piggly Wiggly? Piggly Wiggly. So I'm gonna put some of this up in there. This 50 cents if you want to buy from me. This is 50 cents. No, this 25 cents. So you'll get 4 of these for 25 cents. And then, yeah. Got more containers. So right now, what I'm going to do is mix this slime with Shakira's. And then I'm going to take my slime back out. Show you guys. Shakira! Y'all see me, sweet Nella? This is like, oh. I really don't like it. I like the color and the glitter in it, but I don't like them chips and stuff. That's how I'm gonna fix it. Yep, so this time I got it. Y'all, this keep getting off. This is the extra camera. Where's the website? I always put this to my feet. This is not upstairs. This is the bathroom. But I need to take like. Shakira. Where's your son? Where's your son? Under my bed. Hey, I see you like that. What, under your bed? Where? About. Far back? No, it's in my bed. Because I'm gonna give you my son. Mom. Because I'm like mix it together. So then we can do it. Yeah. So, now I'm gonna waste him. And I'm gonna mix up some stuff with him. And just go. So let's do it. Okay. Because I do have to make sure I don't blur it. Okay. So this is what I'm doing. Y'all finna help me. This no. Oh, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to save her a little bit.